Hello and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. Now it's time to learn how to play another one of your app songs. It's Despacito by Luis Fonsi. Now this one only has a couple of chords in it, so this is really good for beginning and intermediate players. Our first chord is going to be B minor. So that's frets 2, 3, and 4 right here. The next chord we're going to switch to a G. And then there's only 2 more. From there we're going to go to a D chord. And then an A chord. And it's the same chords all the way through the entire song. So you're going to learn just to follow along with the strumming pattern and keep track. Now in the beginning of the song, we're just going to strum the chords on beat 1 each time. So like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's the intro to the song. Then when the drums kick in and the energy amps up, we're going to do a little bit different strum pattern. We're going to count like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but we're only going to be strumming on the ands, also known as the upbeat or the offbeat. And we're going to do 1 measure of each chord. So that's going to sound like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So try counting out loud with that at first until you get used to that. So from there we're going to go to our G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to do D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Last chord, A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, let's try that at a slow tempo, maybe 3 times through. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G and 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2 and 3 and 4. Take it to A and 2 and 3 and 4. Second time now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you keeping track? Are you counting? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's the whole rest of the song. So you can throw on the app and watch the chords scroll by, and now you know how to strum them. Let's do it at song tempo, 3 times through again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Keep counting. All right, have fun with that one, and I'll see you next lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.